Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I explained what is Maven, what is build tool, and why do we use Maven or build tool in our day-to-day automation framework development. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain how to create Maven project and how to use this in our daily framework development. So before starting with creating the Maven project, first of all, we need to confirm that we have Maven installed in our system. So for that, we need to check by using this command maven hyphen version, which tells which version of Maven is installed. So for me, it is Apache Maven 3.6.0 installed in my system. So if there is no Maven installed, it will say mvn command not recognized. So in that case, you have to install Maven first, then you have to proceed with the next step for creating the Maven project. So in short, I'll just tell you how to install Maven in your system. The first way is, if you have homebrew installed in your system, just say brew install and maven brew sorry brew install maven, and it will install maven in your system. The better way, I feel, is by another way is like downloading the maven binaries from Apache website. To do that, you have to go to Chrome and then just say download maven, and you will have a maven website download link where they have different binaries and source code. So just go with binaries, any of these two, binary zip or archive or binary target dot archive. Just download any of this and then extract it in your local repository. So I have extracted it in my documents folder, cd documents. I'll show you. So this is my maven folder 3.6.0. so I'll go inside that, cd patch maven 3.6.0, and just do pwd, and it will tell you the full path of your maven folder. Just copy this and open the next tab and edit your bash profile path, vim bash underscore profile. Just a minute, this is not the correct path. Vim slash bash underscore profile. Yeah, this is the correct path where you have to mention m2 home as this path which you have copied just now, and then just write the second line and it will set the path of your maven binary file. Once this is done, just close your terminal and reopen it and try to run maven hyphen version. It will show that maven is installed with this version. This is about installation of maven. Once maven is installed, to create the maven project, you have to use your favorite IDE. It might be Eclipse or IntelliJ or any other IDE. So I'm using IntelliJ. So just open the IntelliJ, and after opening IntelliJ, you have to create a new project. As we are creating new project, so let's start with creating a new project. Then, as we are working on maven, so I have selected maven, and it will by default show you different java version installed in your system. I have only one java version, so it's showing 1.8. Just select that and say next. Say the group id is a unique string of your company, which inside which says under this group you have to keep your project. So this basically starts from com dot your company name, might be anything like company dot SDET pro. This is just the unique string. Then just say SDET the artifact id which says about your project, what is the artifact of your project. Another one is the version, which is basically tracking your project version. So initially it is 1.0 snapshots. When you again do something in your project and you want to generate another version of your project, you modify it in your POM file, say version 2.0 something. That totally depends on you, or you can start with any version over here, then do next. Again, the project name, whatever you want, it depends on you. And these are pre-filled, like what is the content directory, root directory and all, it will be pre-filled. You don't have to worry. If you want to change, you can change it, then do finish, and it will open the project. So in my previous video I had explained you that maven generates a predefined structured project which has a predefined structure. So I'll show you how it has generated the project. Yeah, so now it is done. So see, it has already a predefined structure. So this is idea which is generated by id, so you don't have to worry. This is generated by maven, which is source, where you have to write your code. Source basically contains main and test. Main is for writing your framework related code like utilities and all. Then it has a resource folder also, where you can put up your resource like config file, excel file and all that. Then this is test folder, where you have to write the test scripts and all. And this is pom.xml, which is the heart of project, where you can say maven, like where you can give instructions to maven, like download this dependency, install this plugin, create these profiles. So this is your way of communicating to maven. This will happen through pom.xml. so now I'll just show an example of how pom.xml help you to instruct your development framework. So for example, this is used to manage the dependency. So in pom.xml I'll say download this dependency, and it will download related jar in your external libraries. So this is about external libraries. Whatever libraries you have in your framework, it will come under this. So for example, right now it has only 1.8 java version libraries. And if you want to run any test, for example, if I create a maven test class, just a test, sorry, what is test class, then if you go here and say @test, you will not be able to see anything, because there is no test ng annotation and libraries in your system right now, in your framework right now. So we'll do this using maven. So let's go to pom.xml and add a dependency. So what to add, basically you will have to get that from the maven repository. So to get that from maven repository, just open any browser and say test ng maven dependency. So whatever libraries you have to download, just say that library name and maven dependency. It will take you to the maven repository, or you can directly navigate repository and search your software over here. So I'll go there, see this all different kind of test ng versions are available. I'll go with latest one, which is 7.0.1. I just copied the dependency. I'll go to my id and paste it over here, and it will automatically download all the jars. So if you see in external libraries now, apart from java 1.8, we have maven, testng and some related jar also. So now if you go to your test class, just say try to use testng now. Now you have a suggestion of using testng annotation. You can use your testng annotation. You can create your class public void, give any name to your test method, and then say, yeah, this is an example. Let's just print something. Hello maven. Now this project has testng with the pom.xml file. So if you try to run this, so it will just run your testng test class, but this is not running using maven. I'll show you in later video that how to run your test methods using maven. So see, this method is passing, so just printed hello maven. So this is all about creating a project, insert managing a dependency in maven test project. So in next video I will explain different other concepts of maven, like running your automation framework with maven, different commands of maven, different life cycles of maven, profiles, plugins, different thing I'll cover in my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.